are explaining how to draw polygons in AutoCAD as fast as possible, and we are starting right now. Hi guys, welcome to MTS Civil Tech channel. This is our AutoCAD course for beginners. You can check the playlist down in the description. If you like our video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. So today's lesson is about drawing polygons in AutoCAD. So to start polygon command, type polygon in the keyboard, or use shortcut POL, or go to Home tab, Draw panel, and choose polygon. The next step is choosing the number of sides for the polygon. 7. Specify the center of the polygon. We have two options: inscribed in circle and circumscribed about circle. Let's choose the first one. Specify radius of the circle. Let's choose 6. Let's draw a circle with the same radius and the same center, 6 meters. So the circle passes by all the corners of the polygon. Let's try the second option we have. Same sides, center. The second option, circumscribed about circle. Choose the same radius, 6 meters. Draw the circle. (6-meter) radius is tangent to the circle. We have another option, and that is drawing by the edge. Draw the center. Let's try it. Number of sides, let's use the same 7, but we will choose this option, edge. So the first point and the second. That's it. Our channel is just starting with a huge educational plan for any civil engineer. We really need a lot of support to continue. So if you like our video and the content we offer in it, if it's helpful to you, hit like and subscribe, and share it with friends, colleagues, co-workers, and don't forget to activate notifications to be the first to see our new videos. Thanks for watching and supporting. Goodbye.